Students, in this video, some questions are given for practice for the lesson chemical bonding. In chemical bonding, there are three different types of chemical bonds: electrovalent bond, covalent bond, and coordinate bond. Electrovalent bonds are formed by the transfer of electron between metal and non-metal. Covalent bonds are formed either by mutual sharing of electrons or by electron pair donation between same or different elements with low electronegativity values. Low electronegativity difference between the combined elements. On this topic, your first question is: name two compounds having ionic and covalent bonds. For this question, you have to write chemical formula of two compounds in which ionic bond and covalent bond, both types of bond present in the same compound. Your answer NaCl is incorrect, because in this compound only ionic bond is present. HCl is incorrect, because only covalent bond is present. You have to write such compounds in which ionic as well as covalent bond, both type of bonds are present, like NaOH. NaOH, between Na and OH ion, ionic bond is present, and O and H ion, covalent bond present. This type of compound you have to write for this answer. Next question is: name two compounds having ionic, covalent and coordinate bond. For this question, your answer HCl is incorrect. It is incorrect answer, because in this only ionic and covalent bonds are present. KCl is also incorrect. KCl is also incorrect. But like NH4Cl and NH4OH is the correct answer for this type of question. In NH4Cl, covalent, coordinate and ionic bonding, all types of bonding present in NH4Cl and NH4OH. Next question, question number 3. What type of bonding exists in diamond, silica and sugar? Diamond, graphite, charcoal, all are the allotropes of carbon. Carbon is non-metal. And which type of bonding found in identical atoms and identical non-metallic elements? Covalent bonding. So, in case of diamond, covalent bond is present. Which covalent bonding is present in diamond? Covalent bonding present in sugar. Sugar is organic compound. In all organic compounds, which type of bond is present? Only covalent bond is present in organic compound. Sugar, urea, methane, ethane, carbon tetrachloride, all are organic compound in which only covalent bond is present. Silica, formula of silica is SiO2. SiO2. In this, it is very hard compound. Diamond is the hardest compound having hardest known compound, and silica is also a hard compound. In this, which type of bond is present? Covalent bond. Because oxygen is non-metal, silica is metalloid. It is non-metal. It is not a metal, it is metalloid. In silica, diamond and sugar, in all the compounds, only covalent bonds are. Fourth question: When a bond formed is polar, non-polar. When a bond formed is polar, when a covalent bond is formed between two different atoms. When a covalent bond is formed between two different atoms, bond becomes polar. When a bond formed between identical atoms, when a covalent bond formed between identical atoms, bond becomes non-polar. Fifth question. Name three molecules showing multiplicity of bonds. Multiplicity of bond means molecules having double bond and triple bond. Okay? Your correct answer is nitrogen molecule in which carbon and triple bond is present. C2H4 in which CC double bond is present. C2H2 in which CC triple bond is present. These are the compounds which have multiplicity of bond. O2 is also molecule which has double bond, means multiplicity of bond. Multiplicity of bond means compounds containing double or triple bond. Sixth question. Give two examples in each case. Coordinate bonds compounds. Two compounds in which coordinate bond is present. Your answer. You have to write this answer. Solid covalent compounds. Name two covalent compounds which exist in solid state. Gaseous polar compounds. Gaseous non-polar compounds. Liquid non-polar compounds. This is only for you. Means students write answer of these questions. Question 7. State the type of bond formed when the combining atoms have number 1 0 EN. EN means electronegativity. E electro and negativity. 0 electronegativity difference. Which type of bond when the combining atoms have 0 electronegativity difference? Non-polar covalent bond. Small electronegativity difference, polar covalent bond. Large electronegativity difference, ionic bond or electrovalent bond. Last 8th question, question number 8. Draw the structure of the stable positive ion formed when an acid dissolved in water. When an acid dissolved in water, which ion is formed? Hydronium ion. Which ion? Hydronium ion. H3O plus. This is the ion, hydronium ion formed in water when an acid dissolved in water. For example, HCl is acid plus H2O. HCl plus H2O gives H3O positive plus Cl negative. H3O positive is stable cation or positive ion. You have to write the electron dot structure and bond structure of hydronium ion for this answer. Question number 9. Draw the electron dot structure of ammonium ion. What is the chemical formula of ammonium ion? NH4 plus. NH4 plus ion. NH4 plus ion is ammonium ion. You have to draw the electron dot structure as well as bond structure for ammonium ion. And also indicate the number of lone pair and bond pair in ammonium ion and hydronium ion. Last compound, last question is draw the orbit structure of carbon tetrachloride CCl4 and C2H4. It is already discussed. There will be the discussion of the lesson. So this is your practice problem, and with the help of this question you can check your mind. That's all. Thank you.